Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Inbar and welcome back to Inbar Investment. Guys, yes, so I decided to do a small video right now on a Monday and then a big video on Fridays. So it will help also my YouTube algorithm to get as more subscribers as I need to help you guys, to help me. So don't forget guys, every Monday and every Friday I will upload a new video. Anyway, thank you for coming back to my channel. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Again, it will really help my my YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to follow me also on Instagram. I'll put the description down below. Guys, we're working so hard during the week, so we just blow off some steam in the weekend. So please follow me also there. Let's start. Okay guys, so welcome back. So we're gonna talk today about the house market crash. Yes, I'm also one of them. I'm gonna talk to you also today about it. Guys, I'm not official licensed, so see, this is an entertainment purpose only. If you want to buy a house, guys, you have to do your own research. So let me talk to you about the house market. You know, some people tell me, oh, it's gonna crash, and some people, oh, it's gonna be only higher. So I'm gonna give you my opinion, guys, and of course, do your own research before you buy a house. So what's happening right now is the Fed really lowered the interest. So what's happening is, guys, banks get almost their money for free. I totally think it's gonna crash, and I'm gonna explain to you also why it's gonna crash. But for now, the Fed is keeping is pounding the money. So what's happening is banks almost getting their money for free. Means if you take a mortgage right now, your mortgage will be probably, your rent, your interest will be pretty low. So what I'm saying is, if you buy today a house of $600,000, you pay a really low interest. But what I'm thinking is, you know, as more and more people get jobless, how long they can go up with this, because someday they have to stop the money because of the inflation. The inflation will get so high. For example, if it continues like this, you can buy in 5 more years, you can buy a Coca-Cola, you can buy it for $10, or a glass of milk. You know, you go somewhere, you want a glass of orange juice, milk, whatever, you're gonna pay $8. That's just crazy. So what I'm thinking is, in 2021, you know, end of 2020, they're gonna start put their interest higher, and I think then what will happen is the market crash will actually burn down. One of my things, what I'm gonna do is, I live in Los Angeles. Los Angeles is a really expensive area. Right now, a typical house, a normal house, and in a normal neighborhood will be around $600,000-700,000. That's just crazy. What I see right now is in Vegas, for example. Vegas is only 4 hours away from me. Is I can buy the same house, even bigger, with more bathrooms and more rooms, for like the half of the price, $300,000. So what I buy here in Los Angeles right now for $800,000, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, I can buy the same one, maybe even bigger, in Las Vegas for $350,000-400,000. Also, what I see in Texas right now, Texas, Dallas, oh my God, I saw such an amazing opportunity. For $230,000, for $250,000, you already can buy a house right now. So what I'm thinking to go and do right now, because I really want to invest in the real estate right now, not particular right now, but in the future when the market will crash. Because I see as an opportunity, I have some money aside, like I told to you about my previous video. I have some money in my savings account. I already bought my first house. I bought it in 2015. I collect that every month rent from. So I see my opportunity right now is not to buy in Los Angeles, but to buy in different states, in different areas, as Vegas, Texas. I really see a place in Texas, because in Texas you get a lot of acres for almost nothing. So my plan is to maybe also move a little bit to Vegas as well for a couple of years, but that's for later. So what I'm planning to do is to go and buy some couple houses in Vegas, in Dallas, because the price is so low right now and will get lower. So I'm really waiting for the market crash right now. I don't need the banks, I don't need no one. I will buy them or cash, or I'm gonna buy them 50-50. The meaning of 50-50 is if a house is 300,000, I will put 150,000 out of my own pocket and I will take $150,000 mortgage. Why is that? Because I want the banks to trust me. I want to build myself up and I want the banks to trust me more and more. So I'm going to get to the bank, hey listen, I have already 2-3 houses. Give me the 4th, 5th or 5th house for free. What's the meaning for free? I don't have to put a down payment. And this is the way I want actually to build my empire. Let me know, guys, in the comment below what you're thinking about it. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe as well. This is just a short video, guys. I will do it every Monday. I will have like short videos. On Friday I will have the long videos. Maybe I will talk this Friday about the house market crash. I still don't know yet because I'm still doing research about other things right now. So please, guys, don't forget to follow me as well. Hopefully you like this video and see you this Friday. Thank you so much, guys.